So hello my beloved audience. So today very unique topic, and this is I think I also felt, and every person which person they met me, and they discuss about the for sadness, and this is also very most we can say cause every person right now sad, and every person they think if you have any problem, so they problem as a think about this is a forever, but let me tell you clearly that this is a temporary, and in this world I think everything is temporary. This is also very unique thing and very famous, and everyone say that everything is temporary. Still everyone right now troubled because they don't accept this is reality, but every day is unique, and what happened today will never be the same tomorrow, and life today and end up in a most beautiful and memorable day tomorrow. So believe you, and or you can smile and enjoy today, because today is today, and we should live in today, not tomorrow, not future. And especially people they think about which thing happened in past time, they think all time, and past time which thing happened that time, they waste time and lost anything, but today also wasted only think about. So this is I think very bad thing, and totally unhappy tomorrow. Nothing is a permanent, your emotion, thought, and your entire life, it is just a we can say series of charge. So that's why people say to enjoy the present, and you have heard about also, and this is saying also गाँव में, क्योंकि कई मोटिवेशन स्पीकर भी ये कहते हैं कि जियो आज में, ना तो कल में, ना तो फ्यूचर की सोचो, क्योंकि जो होना है वो तो होगा, पर हम लोग फ्यूचर का सोच के आज का भी जो भी दिन है, जो भी टाइम तुम्हारे पास, उसको वेस्ट कर रहे हो. सो दैट्स वाई पीपल से टू एन्जॉय द प्रेजेंट, बिकॉज यू आर देयर नाउ. when you are going through dark time, so that time you should understand that this time for only some period of time, not permanently. This is a temporary thing, so you should always think about and happy try to, and which thing happened in your life, so don't try to again think, and you should think what did you learn, which thing you happened in your life, and always remember it will be past, and brighter day are coming definitely, and when you are experiencing some beautiful moments, so that time you forget, and make sure you enjoy them to the fullest, because that's where life is memorable moment to bloom. And but if we talk about 90% people right now sad, and very go through mentally disturbed, and they have anxiety, hesitation also, so they have a lot of problem. Only if you go and ask them person, so they will say any past incident about they discuss. So definitely don't, and if you present time any situation you are facing, so only one thing you always in keep in mind, that this is a temporary, and if you tell your mind this is a temporary, so definitely you will feel relaxed mentally, because your subconscious mind also they think this is a only temporary thing, not permanent. And when you any situation think about this is a permanently came, so definitely you will trouble, and you are not able to do anything, and all time disturb. So I would like to suggest that all time only think everything is temporary, and which person they have lot of arrogant, so their person also should this thing that this is a temporary thing, and one time this will be automatically removed in your life, and you also realize in any past situation that problems come, but after some time they gone through automatically remove your life, and you don't know how to deal with that time. So definitely you should always smile. So that's all for today, and let's catch up next time. Thank you.